This is a sales training session for the retail industry. I'll explain the sales approach that fits this industry. In the retail industry, it is important for staff working in various locations in the store to respond quickly to customer inquiries. The conference group call function can be used to contact all staff in the store at once, such as a convenient way for staff to ask others for help or to send general notifications. It is normal for retail staff to talk while working and moving throughout busy stores. Decked handsets feature noise reduction functionality, so that staff can talk without interruption from ambient noises even in loud areas. This smart desk function allows multiple staff to share a single decked handset using their own number, allowing each device to be more efficiently used to reduce costs. Retail work requires speed and mobility. Handover function between the multi-deck cell stations provides stable call functionality even while staff are moving throughout large facilities, allowing staff to communicate smoothly and work faster. Roaming functionality is important in retail industry, as staff must often travel through a wide area. This function automatically switches deck to the optimal base station, even when staff move between areas, such as from the shop floor to the warehouse, allowing staff to communicate without worrying about the network. There are some situations where information must be shared between staff without the customer knowing. In these cases, a third-party vendor application can be used with deck to send text messages in batches, allowing staff to easily and smoothly communicate. Panasonic mobile softphone allows smartphones to be used as extensions. Staff can use their smartphones to receive calls on their extensions, just as though they were in their offices or stores, allowing them to quickly respond to inquiries. This software supports both voice and video calls, allowing staff to work more efficiently. For example, an employee at the store could show a manager at the office a product during a call. This requires no additional devices or servers, and security is ensured using SIP TLS. Multi-site networking integrates several PBXs, allowing multiple stores or warehouses in different locations to connect seamlessly as though all sites are connected to a single system. This can reduce communication costs and can even save time and money through centralized management. It is also flexible enough to support adding new sites or moving existing sites. If a LAN outage occurs while using multi-site networking, the PBX at each site continues to operate locally and temporarily takes over the necessary system operations to ensure staff can continue to work. Multi-site networking has redundancy, completely built in to provide a continuous communication environment that is both safe and failure-proof, preventing work outages. It can also be linked with an external alarm system to create an alert system that automatically detects abnormalities and sends a notification to the specified telephone. UC Pro can be installed to a PC, tablet or smartphone, and used to make and receive voice calls, communicate over text chat and enable visual communication. It can also be used to confirm member presence information, and can be linked with Microsoft Outlook Scheduler, to make it easier for staff to communicate among themselves. Panasonic mobile softphone allows smartphones to be used as extensions. Staff can use their smartphones to receive calls on their extensions, just as though they were in their offices or stores, allowing them to quickly respond to inquiries. This software supports both voice and video calls, allowing staff to work more efficiently. For example, an employee at the store could show a manager at the office a product during a call. This requires no additional devices or servers, and security is ensured using SIP TLS. IP cameras and IP door phones include motion, voice detection functionality that automatically calls a configured destination or sends an email when an abnormal situation is detected. This allows staff to handle issues quickly after being notified. The mobile application allows staff to remotely monitor locations from their smartphones for even greater convenience.